there will be one wheel, maybe your car wheel, maybe your bike wheel, but it was moving fastly with 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Okay, so suppose this is the wheel, and it was moving in this direction, suppose. And in 1 minute, it makes 360 revolutions. In 1 minute, makes that 360 revolutions. And we have to find for 1 second how much it turns. We have to find the angle made by the wheel in 1 second. So suppose the wheel is moving, suppose in 1 second, suppose the wheel is here, little it was moved in 1 second. So we have to find that angle. How much it moves in 1 second, we have to find. In 1 minute, it makes 360 revolutions. That is, in 60 seconds, same. That is 360 revolutions. For 60 seconds, it makes 360 revolutions. For 1 second, take this 60 this side, it becomes 360 by 60 revolutions. That is, in 1 second, it makes 6 revolutions. Okay? In 1 second, it makes 6 revolutions. Now we have to tell how much angle it makes. We know that already. In 1 revolution, we know that for 1 revolution, it makes an angle 360 degree. Okay, which is equals to, in terms of radian, that is 2 pi radian. In full one complete revolution, it makes an angle 360 degree. Similarly, we have to find for 6 revolutions. This is equals to 6 into 2 pi radian. That is 12 pi radian. It means in 1 second, that is 6 revolution, it makes an angle 12 pi radian. This is our required answer. So a wheel, when it was in 1 second in time, so it makes 12 pi radian angle. So this completes the third solution.
The question number 4 is, find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 cm by an arc length of 22 cm. Here see, given radius is r is equals to 100 cm and arc length, which is denoted by the letter small l, is 22 centimeter, and we have to find the angle subtended at the center of the circle, that is denoted by the letter theta, is question mark. and we have to find this theta in terms of degree major. And we know that a circle of radius r and arc length L subtend an angle theta radian can be calculated by using the formula theta is equals to L by R. Okay, and also we read the limitation of this formula is theta is always in radian. And one more thing, here the units of L and R are same. Suppose if in question R is in terms of meter and arc length is in terms of centimeter, at that time you have to convert these two to only one unit. Either may be in centimeter or it may be in meter. But here there is no need to convert because already the R and L is given in unit as centimeter. So let's substitute this L and R in this formula to get the theta, which is equals to L is 22 divided by R is 100. On simplifying this, you will get 11 by 50 radian. This is the angle subtended by the circle at the center is 11 by 50 radian. But we have to calculate the angle in degree major. So we have to convert this 11 by 50 radian to degree major. And we know that 1 radian is equals to 180 by pi degree. Here we have to calculate for the value of 11 by 50 radian, which is equals to, this is the formula for 1 radian. We have to calculate for 11 by 50, which is equals to 11 by 50 into 180 by pi degree. Again we have to substitute in place of pi as 22 by 7. Then you will get 11 into 180 divided by 50 into 22 by 7 degree. Simplify this, cancel, and we know that denominator of denominator becomes numerator. So it becomes 11 into 18 into 7 whole divided by 5 into 22 degree. After simplification, we get theta is equals to 63 by 5 degree. And we know that the degree cannot be in the form of fractions. So we divide this 63 by 5. 5 12s are 60. So here you will get remainder as 3. So this theta is equals to 63 by 5 degree can be written as 12 plus of remainder divided by divisor 3 by 5 degree. Which is equals to 12 degree plus of 3 by 5 degree. Here we convert this 3 by 5 degree in terms of minutes, and we know that 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. Then the value for 3 by 5 degree is 3 by 5 into 60 minutes. It gives you minutes. And simplify this, you will get 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So the required theta is equals to 12 degree plus 36 minutes. That is theta is equals to 12 degree 36 minutes is the required angle. Hence, the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 centimeter by an arc length of 22 centimeter is 12 degree 36 minutes. This is the required answer. Thank you. Next class we will see the next problem of this exercise 3.1. Thank you.